Hi guys, my name is Shubhang Garodia, Chemistry Master Teacher at Vedantu. Today we are going to talk about KVPY 2020 SX Part 1 Chemistry subject and question number 17. Okay, now the question says the correct pair of orbitals involved in bonding between the metal and CO in a metal carbonyl complex is. That means what he's talking about, the question is about synergic bonding. Okay, so the question is, we know that metal receives electron from CO in the form of a coordinate bond, and we also know that back bonding takes place from the filled orbital of metal into the empty orbital of CO to form a pi bond, right? The question here is, which is the orbital on the metal and which is the orbital on CO which undergoes this bonding? This is the question. Okay, so first thing first, guys, there are two ways to solve this question. One by using logic, by analytics, and the other is if you know the theory behind it. First of all, let's solve by the analytics. Essentially, that is the theory that we are supposed to know behind synergic bonding. Okay, so what am I talking about? We know that when metal donates electron back to CO, there is bond order reduction, right? There is bond order reduction in the carbon oxygen bond. We know that when metal gives electron back to CO, it is found experimentally that the carbon oxygen bond slightly elongates. Now, according to molecular orbital theory, when does a bond elongate? A bond elongates when the bond order goes down. Now, when does the bond order reduce, guys? Bond order reduces when either the electron is added in antibonding orbitals, or bond order is reduced when the electrons are removed from bonding orbitals, right? ये कैसे आया? We know that bond order is equal to number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons upon 2. So if the bond order has to go down, implies either this will go down or this will go up, meaning electrons are added in anti-bonding or electrons are removed from bonding. इतना clear है? Let's take to the next step. Synergic bonding में metal was adding electron in carbon monoxide. That definitely means that electron got added in anti-bonding, so that bond order goes down. ठीक है, so ये भी cancel हो गया, ये भी cancel हो गया. Now the question is, which anti-bonding orbital do we choose? There's a hint in the question, guys. The question says pi star x. यहाँ से I will get my answer. Let me show you the diagram. So if we talk about a pi star x orbital, do you remember pi star px looks something like this, right? This, you take two px's and then you align them side by side, correct? So this direction is your x direction. Let's say this is a y direction. So this is your pi star, suppose 2px. Now I want this to form a pi bond, a sideways overlap with the metal. That implies the metal should have orbitals arranged like this, है कि नहीं? So that there is a sideways overlap here and here. इतना clear है? The question said pi star x, so I first drew pi star x. The moment I drew pi star x, I understood that if I want to form a pi bond, a back bond from metal to CO, it has to be parallel. That means I have to have the orbital shape like this. Now, what is so special about this orbital shape? If you will see, the speciality about this orbital is that it is a non-axial orbital in the xy plane. So coming back to the options, where do you have a non-axial orbital in the xy plane? Non-axial orbital is dxy. So this is also cancelled. This is also cancelled. Hence, our answer here is A. Okay. Thank you so much for joining us, guys, and stay tuned for our next question.